Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to change background in Slack video call. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on this Slack application, so what you're going to do is to enter first on your a chat or voice chat channel. So this is all of my channels. I can just click one of them, and if I want to start a call, I can just click this button right here, the headset button on the top right corner, and now I can start a huddle or a video call. So now I'm just going to video call with myself. But if I want to change the theme of the video call, the background, I can just click this three dots on the bottom right corner right here. So after I click these three dots on the bottom right corner, these options will appear. So now I can change its background under the more options. I can edit the background, and after I click it, I can now choose a bunch of beautiful backgrounds to to change my default background. So this is, I'm going to choose this one, and after I click it, as you can see, my background is now changed. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can change your background in Slack video call. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.